destroy. Remember this guy? His name is Jeremy the Killer. Like Jeremy the Killer. Now he's gone way too serious. He's look right here, right there. Destroying houses. Like look at the house's face. Look. Do you see it? Now, guess what's inside of him? Remember it? Mouth, teeth, Among Us. Today, he's gonna be our boss, and by destroying him first, doing this, boss bar, and then him. There's a copy. Yeah. Very ugly. I guess gonna be ugly. Yes. There. The official ugly man. Next. First. Stick man. Next. Okay, we got some upgrades here. First, starting with Little Man. Next, Tank. Next, Giant King. Then, my brother made the upgraded version of Siren Head. I don't know, but that is it's really it. Wow, has a big yacht and sword. Today and I made upside down man, and my brother made a huge chainsaw man right here. And that's gonna be the end of the video. Starting now.